In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in Slack using an invitation link. Joining a Slack workspace through an invite link is one of the quickest and easiest ways to get connected with a team, class, or community. Instead of waiting for a manual invite to be processed, the link takes you straight to the correct Slack registration page so you can start the setup right away. The good news is that this works whether you already have a Slack account or you're creating one for the first time. To begin, find the invitation link that was shared with you. You might receive it in an email, a calendar invite, a message, or an onboarding document. Once you've located it, click the invitation link carefully. This will automatically open your default web browser and take you to the official Slack page for that specific workspace. When the page loads, you should see the name of the workspace you're being invited to. This helps confirm that you're joining the right place before you continue. At this point, choose how you want to sign in or register. You'll usually have the option to continue with Google or Apple, which is the fastest method if you want quick verification without creating a separate password. If you prefer, you can also sign up with your email address. Just enter your email and click continue. If you choose the email option, Slack will send a 6-digit confirmation code to your inbox. Open your email, find the message from Slack, and type the code into the boxes shown in your browser. This step verifies that the email address belongs to you and helps keep the workspace secure. After your email is verified, Slack will guide you through setting up your profile. Enter your full name so other members can recognize you easily. If you didn't sign in with Google or Apple, you'll also be asked to create a password. Make sure it's secure and easy for you to remember. You may also have the option to upload a profile photo. This part is optional, but it can be helpful in professional or group settings because it makes your account easier to identify in conversations and threads. When everything looks right, click Create Account or Next to move forward. Once your profile is ready, Slack will ask how you want to open the workspace. If you already have the Slack desktop app installed, choose Open Slack app to launch it there. If not, select Use Slack in browser to access the workspace immediately through your web browser. After that, the workspace will load and you'll be ready to start using Slack. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.